Okay, so in this lesson we're going to talk all about adjectives. What they are, how to use them, most importantly, why they even exist, what are they all about. So adjectives, let's find out. So you see, adjectives are used to describe things, mainly nouns, or anything really. Noun, places, ideas, what we got? Concepts, things, my pen, for example, my glasses, my braces, what else? My whiteboard, the ideas, concepts, anything. So we're talking about how things look and are. So how do I look? I know what you're thinking. Handsome. It's okay, don't worry. Handsome. Tall, dark, mysterious. Ooh, I like that one, mysterious. How do you look? Short, tall, smart, thin? You tell me. Comment below. How do you look? Describe yourself. So we say words like tall, short, slow. Ah, slow. Moving along slowly. She drives slowly. He walks slow. Fast. That turtle is really fast. That cheetah is really slow, but that turtle is really fast. That turtle over there is so fast, it beat that rabbit, that hare, in a race. Thin. My pen is quite thin and long. Or even smart. Smart, they know what they're talking about, they know what they're doing. He's a smart person, he's a smart cookie. Yeah. So again, it's how things look or are. Someone can look tall and smart. They are smart, they look tall. How cool is that? What about you? How do you look like? Oh, well, actually, what do you look like? Tall, thin, smart? You tell me. Comment below. It's all about adjectives. Comment below. But you see then the question arises as to where does the adjective go in the sentence? And it goes in front of the noun. The thing you're describing, it goes in front. So for example, the smart cat. Yeah. Or the smartphone. Yeah. The long road. You've got a long way to go. The road is long. It's a long road. But the only interesting thing is, when you're talking about other things, in a third person perspective, like your hat is thin. Her hat is small. That cat is, I don't know, slow. Doesn't matter really, the cat's not really there, there's no cat there. That bin is full. There's one for you, full. Yeah. So that's more of a passive voice, a third person, but normally we put the noun, we put the adjective in front of the noun. The smart cat, the long road, the heavy box. What do you have? What do you have around you? Let's have a quick look. I got the smart books, the heavy books, the colourful pen, like this one, or the fashionable suspenders. Love them, fashionable suspenders. The clear glass on my glasses, the clear glass. The clean whiteboard. What do you have around you? Anything clean? Anything colourful? Anything clear? You tell me, comment below. And while you're down there, subscribe. There's more videos on the way. Subscribe, hit the like button. Let's keep learning. So the way to find a lot of adjectives is understanding that they are how you perceive the world. Your senses. It's a good way to figure out good adjectives for describing things. As well as a few ideas on actual new words. So see, touch, smell, hear, taste. You taste something spicy. Or that lemon is very sour. Ooh, sour lemons. Ooh, or even sour grapes. Ooh, yeah. Hear, quiet. She's very quiet, isn't she? He's very loud. He's very loud. Then let's have a look. Smell, stinky. Yeah. Or sweet. Let's think. What tastes sweet? What tastes sweet? Apple, pineapple. Lemon, not really. Lemon is very sour. What tastes sweet? Most candy. Chocolate. That's a good one. That's nice and sweet. What else do you think tastes sweet? What do you think? What do you think? Marshmallows. They're nice. Chocolate, marshmallows, wafers, flapjacks. You tell me. What else? Comment below. What else tastes sweet? And touch. Now rough. Rough, like it's so hard to touch, and it feels so heavy and just feels not smooth. Like smooth. Smooth. Feels very nice to touch. Not angular, not jagged, just it's very nice and gentle. There's a word for you. Gentle. Touching something gently, not roughing it all over the place. Gently. And see, how do things look? Ugly, handsome, colourful, vibrant. This pen, as I said, this pen is quite colourful and quite nice. I've got other pens, but wait for this one to run out of ink first, then get a few other colours. Red, green, black, or ugly, or handsome, or even like sound. You could say the voice is very deep. The voice is very high. And see, look, so something looks tall, something looks handsome, something looks ugly. This pen, the ink is very nice. Very nice. The whiteboard is very smooth. She's very quiet. Things like that. What can you think of? Like a sweet thing. What do you think tastes sweet? Ooh, the chocolate is sweet. This is sweet chocolate. What do you think? What do you think? So colours. What do you think about colours? Now, all colours are essentially adjectives, because it's the only way you can perceive them. You can't really touch a colour, you can't taste a colour, you can't hear a colour, you can only really see a colour. So, a blue whale, those really big animals in the sea, a blue whale. Your black cat, her red hat, Again, you can't hear a red hat, you can't taste the red, you can't smell red, so you can only see red. A green pen. This one isn't, this one's blue. Pay attention. So this one's blue. But look at this. Literally here, a white board. It's white and it's a board. What else are you going to say about it? Let's have a look. The chair is white. A white chair. You can't go around saying, I feel very white today, I feel very blue today, I feel very green or pink today. So you're only going to say, I feel awesome today. These suspenders are red. You're not going to say much else about them. So tell me then, actually, what do you have around you that's pink? Yeah. What have you got around you that's pink? I have nothing that is pink. Pink. Anything pink. Nothing pink. What about you? Anything pink? Anything pink? You tell me. I have a pink what? I'm waiting. But then as I talk about adjectives, you've got to understand the superlatives and the comparatives and the comparisons and the absolute form. So the unchanged version of the adjective is the absolute. Are these just normal words like big, tall or smart? Big, tall or big even, tall or smart, which is the absolute, unchanged. Then you move on to the comparative, so now we're comparing two things together. We're comparing at least two things together. So this one is bigger than that one is taller than this one. She is smarter than her. He is smarter than them, for example. And we add ER at the end. We simply go, we have to take the absolute version and add ER to get bigger. Then likewise, when we compare of multiple things, like who is the best, who's number one, I imagine a race, Who is the fastest in the race? Who is the slowest in the race? Who is the smartest in the race? We have the biggest, which is above all. The biggest. Who is the smartest? She is the tallest in the class. I am the smartest in that class. He is the fastest over there. What about you? Are you the smartest in your class? The tallest? The biggest? What about you? Maybe I'm the smartest in the room when it comes to English. But what about science? Maths? You tell me. You tell me. You tell me, what are you the smartest at? Or even better, who is taller? You or your best friend? Yeah, who's taller? You or your best friend? I always ask my students, who is the smartest in their class at school? Who's the tallest? Who's the shortest? Invert the question. Invert it. Who's the smallest? Who's the smallest? Well, I am 173 centimetres. 173 centimetres, or 5'8". So who is taller than me? Who is smaller than me? Who's the same height? You tell me. But comparisons, very important to know, and superlatives, it can be quite crazy. But worth understanding it right here, right now, because we're all about how adjectives work. But let's also go one step further and look at what are called intensifier words. Now these words, they make the adjective a little more meaningful and creative and add more emphasis to the word and the sentence and what you're talking about. So one of them is very. Very, very tall, very right, very wrong. Very tall even in this case. So very, you look at something and go, whoa, that's very tall. Likewise, you've got then quite. So you've got very, it's like, whoa, but quite. That's quite loud. That's quite quiet. That's quite weird. This is quite good. Wow. Wow. This is quite clean. Yeah. And let's have a look. Really. Like, really? You see, that's really big. That's really long. That's really bright. Oh, really bright. That's really clear. I really understand that, yeah. It's really fast. Yeah. So these things here. So tell me then, what is quite loud? Who do you know that is quite loud? Who is quite loud? Am I quite loud? Do you turn the volume down? Or do you turn it up because I'm not loud enough? You tell me. Who is quite loud? I'd probably say I'm quite loud in real life, depending on the setting, of course. In the library, then I'm quite quiet. Yeah, but out and about, maybe I'm a little too loud. Maybe I don't know. If you know me, you tell me. Yeah. But yeah, intensify words. Yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? So there we have it. Adjectives. How things are, how things look. Describing words. That's all it is. Just you look at something, or you hear something, you see something, you taste something, and you tell the world how it is. The apple is sweet, the pen is colourful, the braces are loud. Actually, the braces are quite loud. Quite. The pen is quite useful. In fact, if you've got a moment, the pen is quite mighty. It's mightier than the sword. But that's going out of the way. But remember, subscribe and click the bell notification. Click the bell button next to the subscribe button to get notifications so you never miss an English lesson again. How cool is that? But for those of you that stick around to the very end, here's a bonus lesson just for you. Just for you. So we have adjectives plus prepositions. And a preposition is where things are, where it's located, where you can find it. Above, below, underneath, here, there, everywhere. So let's look. Afraid of. Afraid. She's afraid of the dark. Oh. Bored with. Bored with. Bored. Let's think. Bored with. You're bored with playing. You're bored with looking. You're bored almost looking at me. I'm telling you, maybe. You're bored with walking. You're bored with talking to yourself. Are you? What are you bored with? What are you bored with? Crazy about. She's crazy about me. That's a nice one. She's crazy about chocolate. That's a good one. That's a good one. She's crazy about painting. They are crazy about painting. They're crazy about painting. What can we say? They're quite crazy about painting. She's really bored with me. Pleased with. Pleased with. I am pleased. I am pleased with writing. I am pleased with the video. I am pleased with just life in general, you know. I don't know, just life in general. How cool is that? So awesome. That's adjectives for you. Subscribe, click the bell notification, keep going, keep learning, comment below, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.